Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back. This is our lecture number 7 regarding coordination chemistry. Beta previous lectures was discussed about a type of complexes which are known as chelate complexes. Previous lectures was just one more polydentate ligand simsatan metal atmos या metal ion से complex बनावान चे 5 or 6 membered cyclic rings च बनानातन युसे complex आशी ताथ complex अच्छे नाव बनान chelate complex. As किस lectures was या किस lectures was this is example of the chelate complexes तिमस करो सोन ते बे discuss. Now today we will see some of the characteristics of chelate complexes. Shabash. As this lecture is about the characteristics of chelate complexes, and we'll also see the uses or importance of the chelate complexes. So characteristic number 1 is that the chelate complexes are more stable than their non-chelate analogues. This is characteristic number 1, and this effect is known as chelate effect. See, based on the experimental result, it has been found that the chelate complexes are more stable than their non-chelate complexes. Now यहाँ पे मैंने वर्ड यूज किया नॉन चीलेट एनालॉग, यानी अगर असली ज कॉम्प्लेक्सेस आसन अख कॉम्प्लेक्स आसि त्युथ यथ मज अस पॉलीडेंटेट लिगेंड यूज छ कोरमुत. पॉलीडेंटेट लिगेंड से गसि लाजमी कॉम्प्लेक्सस मज चिलेशन. ब्याख कॉम्प्लेक्स आसि यथ मज चिलेशन गमस छन किहिन, मीनिंग देयर बाय लिगेंड सिमजन आसन तिम आसन मोनोडेंटेट या यूनिडेंटेट. We have seen that monodentate ligands do not result in the formation of chelate complexes. Now, kath complexes one OS, common complex and one OS im gay panwan analogues. I'm khatar se z cheez ta yaad thaun. Number 1 is that even agar z complexes compare karan che analog one hok tele agar dashwani complexen maz यस मेटल आयन यस जन या मेटल एटम यस अथ मज आसि तथ यस ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट आसि स ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट गसि सेम आसिन दशवनी. दयिम चीज गसि अथ मज आसुन नंबर ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड्स इमन दशवनी कॉम्प्लेक्सन मज आसन ये नंबर ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड्स ति गसि आसुन सेम. अगर नम ज क्राइटेरियन तो फिल छु गसान दोन कॉम्प्लेक्सन मज मेटल आयन च सेम, मेटल आयन स ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ति च सेम, and the number of coordinate bonds in both the complexes is same, then we say these are the analogues of one another. Now out of the analogues, the chelate complexes are more stable than the non-chelate complexes, and the effect is known as chelate effect. Chaliye, let us take an example to understand this. Ak example karo is consider. Say for the example, if I have two complexes, kus complex Akis complexes must nimo as ligand ethane 1,2 diamine. Yath abbreviation she use kormus EN, and this is a bidentate ligand. It is wushmut bidentate ligand, therefore it will result in the formation of the chelate complex. Back complex use that must nimo as ligand. Say for example the ligand use that is ammonia. NH3 ammonia is monodentate ligand. Im साथ ये complex बनाए, आत complexes मज़ आसने chelation किहिन. Let us see. Say for example I have two complexes. Complex 1 is PtEn whole 2 and then 2 units of positive charge. The other complex is PtNH3 whole 4 and then we have 2 units of positive charge. बेटा सेंट्रल मेटल एटम और आयोनस अगर इस चार्ज कैलकुलेट करूँ या ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट अमिश कैलकुलेट करूँ कैसे निकालते हैं? इथेन 1,2 डायमाइन यूजन लीगेंड इथेन 1,2 डायमाइन स्ट्रक्चर या फार्मूला पतमिस लेक्चरस मज वोनमुत. We have there it is ethane 1,2 diamine. It is electrically neutral. At percent कहीं charge. Though there are two donor atoms, those are nitrogen atoms. Therefore, use at charge as that charge will be equal to 0. Platinum must produce charge या oxidation state. Let me suppose that oxidation state is equal to X. Tell you see complex ion at complex ion charge agar wusho overall charge is equal to the charge of the species present within the square brackets. Yat is now shown a coordination sphere. So I can write down X is the oxidation state of platinum plus 2 into oxidation state of ethane 1,2 diamine or the charge of ethane 1,2 diamine, that is equal to the overall charge of the complex ion, that's equal to plus 2. That means X is equal to plus 2. Here platinum is in plus 2 oxidation state. Yet ligand it is ammonia. Ammonia is electrically neutral. Similarly, let me suppose oxidation state of platinum is X. Then algebraic sum chikaron even oxidation state and X plus 4 into charge of ammonia is 0. The whole charge, the overall charge will be equal to the algebraic sum. You see, sorry, charge yes equal to the algebraic sum of the species present in the coordination sphere or the square brackets. So here also X is equal to plus 2. Go at much is platinum at much is platinum's oxidation state equal to plus 2. The cheese. Ethane 1,2 diamine is a bidentate ligand. It will form two coordinate bonds and there are two ethane 1,2 diamine molecules. So the number of coordinate bonds is the coordinate bonds obviously 2 into 2 that is equal to 4. So number of coordinate bonds is equal to 4. Here also the number of coordinate bonds using coordinate bond and number that is also equal to number of coordinate bonds that is also equal to 4 because ethane ammonia molecule is a unidentate ligand. There are 4 ammonia molecules, 4 coordinate bonds will be formed. So naman don complex and one was imch akis analogous because the shuni complex and was just platinum platinum must produce oxidation state. So oxidation state yat must be equal to plus 2. So oxidation state yat must be platinum must equal to plus 2 by number of coordinate bonds using coordinate bonds similar. Now ethane 1,2 diamine is a bidentate ligand. Use bidentate ligand, we have seen that bidentate ligands result in the formation of chelate rings or cyclic 5 or 6 membered rings. We have seen those are known as chelate rings and then we have this is it nitrogen bonded to, so it is bonded to CS2 and CS2, so this is it. So this complex is a chelate complex, while as if we see this platinum, this complex here 4 ammonia molecules are bonded to platinum 2 positive ion and this is a non-chelate complex and both of the complexes are analogous of one another. So out of these two, if I are asked about the stability of the complex, we'll say the stability of complex 1 is more than the stability of complex 2. It is due to an effect and that effect is known as chelate effect. So this is characteristic number 1. The complexes you must compare karo im gasan godeth asin panwen analogs. The cheese comparison chu unkenas chalan between a chelate complex and a non-chelate complex, which are analogs of each other. Then the complex which is chelate, acid, that is more stable due to an effect. That effect is known as chelate effect, while as the complex which is non-chelate complex acid, that is less stable. So this is characteristic number 1. At bunyadas pe hekiu toy wuchit coordination compound maz yiman maz polydentate ligands asan ya back coordination compound yat maz the polydentate ligand as kya tel godnu characteristic that chelate complexes are more stable than the non-chelate complexes. Godnu dayim characteristic wucho is comparison between chelate complexes. So dayim characteristic cheat kahan wala the stability of a complex increases as the denticity of ligand increases. What does it mean? Agar yath maz es don tren complexen पानवन comparison करो, चलो yeten out of chelate and non-chelate, it is clear chelate one is more stable. But if I have a class of chelating complexes with different chelating ligands, then the characteristic number 2 is that the stability of that complex will be more, where denticity of ligand is more. Yat complexes maz ligand aasi zyada coordinate bonds banawan. Denticity means the number of coordinate bonds formed by a ligand. Yat complexes maz ligand has denticity zyada aasi, so aasi stable zyada. Now let us understand this by taking an example. Yat maz most example say for example we have 3 ligands, 3 complexes. The first complex is somewhat like this. We have so this is it. This is one complex. Formula is PtCl2En. This is the complex. Agar analogous nimhon, say for example this is its analog NH2, and then we have NH. This is it, and then Cl. Then the formula is PtCl, and then its ligand atmosphere, that is diethylene triamine, having 1 unit of positive charge. Now are these analogs of one another? Imcha kis analogs. If we see the oxidation state of complex A and complex B, oxidation state of the metal atom or metal ion in complex 1 and 2, we can quote one more example as well. Let us see here. We have Cl negative ion, atmosphere ligand Cl negative ion, oxidation state is equal to -1, ethane 1,2 diamine special oxidate, this charge is equal to 0, and then platinum produce oxidation state, let me suppose that is equal to X. Carsa addition, we have X plus 2 into -1 plus ethane 1,2 diaminic oxidation, this charge that is equal to 0. The charge of the complex is equal to 0, so therefore this is equal to, the summation is equal to 0. That means X minus 2 is equal to 0, X is equal to plus 2, oxidation state is equal to plus 2. You see, platinum must produce oxidation state, that is equal to plus 2. Likewise, if we see the oxidation state of platinum here, suppose that is equal to X, Cl negative ion is acting as a ligand. Diethylene triamine chess otra ligand home structure amuk. So its oxidation state is equal, its charge is equal to 0 and the charge of the whole ion is equal to +1. Then let us see the oxidation state of platinum. We have X plus -1, that is +0, that is equal to +1. X is the oxidation state of platinum. Cl special charge equal to -1, so it is -1 plus diethylene triamine is electrically neutral, charge is equal to 0, the charge of the complex is equal to +1, Nuhn algebraic summary equal to the charge of the complex ion, that's equal to +1. So if you solve it, that is X -1, itarhon yokon X is equal to +1 that is equal to +2. So the shwani is platinum special oxidation state equal to +2. Now after this, let us see the number of coordinate bonds in both the complexes. It is the number of coordinate bonds in both the complexes is equal to 4. Here the number of coordinate bonds, this is also equal to 4. 1 2 3 4 and then 1 2 3 and 4. So these are analogous of one another. But as per characteristic number 2, अगर मैं वन नमो दो कम्प्लेक्सो मज कुछ स्टेबल ज्यादा complex वनस मज युस ligand अस यूज कोरमुत गोड चीज गो क्लियर, these are analogs of one another. यस मज युस ligand छि, that is ethane 1,2-diamine. ethane 1,2-diamine चुस denticity छि, that density is equal to 2. Yes, यस मज ligand छु, the ligand is triethylene, it is diethylene triamine. यस तमिच density छि, density is equal to 3. So characteristic number 2 is that as the density of the ligand increases, the stability of the complex also increases, meaning thereby the complex second will be more stable than the complex one. This complex second, so complex second is ज़्यादा stable as compared to complex one. Likewise, if I have a question, अगर त्रे complex दिमो, all of these are all of which are analogous of one another, यम आके किस analogous आसन? यम is complex इस मून उस में PTCl and then ethane 1,2-diamine. दयम complex using छु, there it is. We have platinum Cl and then diethylene triamine. The charge is equal to +1. Similarly, we have complex PT and then we have triene, that is triethylene tetraamine, charge is equal to +2. अगर त्रेशोनी complexes मज तो वुचु platinum पे oxidation state, that is equal to +2. Here also platinum पे oxidation state, that is equal to +2. platinum पे oxidation state, that is equal to +2. त्रेशोनी बेटा त्रेशोनी complex मज platinum पे oxidation state equal to +2. यही क्यों तो एक वो नमन दोनों मज कोरे सुन calculate ये देंगे. Triethylene tetraamine is a neutral ligand. It is uncharged. Therefore, 2 units of positive charge using acid platinum spread oxidation state is equal to +2. Besides that, the number of coordinate bonds in all of these complexes, complex A, complex B and complex C, in three complexes, imagine number of coordinate bonds is same. Agar stability question is present, tell you complexes must density ligand as zyada. Yet must just ligand use that is ethylene, that is ethane 1,2-diamine. And chelating a ligand, chelation because of ethane 1,2-diamine, not because of Cl negative ions. Then we have ethane 1,2-diamine is bidentate ligand, it is density is equal to 2. Here the ligand you see must use to go, that is diethylene triamine. Yes, and which density is equal to 3. Yet in this ligand, that ligand is triethylene tetraamine. Just that density is equal to 4. Number of chelate rings formed will be equal to density -1, 2 -1, ring, rings, 3 rings. So, what is the order of the stability? Order of stability is C is greater than B, B is more stable than A. So, this is characteristic number 2. Ampat, agar characteristic number 3, that is very much important. Characteristic number 3, you will note it down. Third characteristic is that ligands which do not possess double bonds, form five-membered chelate rings or cyclic rings. And there are ligands like acyl acetonate ion. Shabash, which possess double bonds. They form six-membered cyclic rings. Six-membered cyclic rings. So this is characteristic number 3 of chelate complexes. So which ligands? These are polydentate ligand. Tim polydentate ligands yiman maz double bonds mojood asan ke, they form five-membered cyclic rings. Just tat maz chelation gamz asi yim ti rings tat maz mojood asan, they will be five-membered. While there are ligands like acyl acetonate ion, yemik ba hun structure lekh yiman maz double bond mojood asan, and then human complex must just chelate ring asi, that will be six-membered cyclic ring. Now let us see an example for this characteristic number 3rd characteristic khatir karo is ak example quote. We will see the formation of five-membered and six-membered cyclic rings. Say for example, if we take the ligand, say ligand is ethane 1,2 diamine. Agar by ethane 1,2 diamine consider current, it's a bidentate ligand, and wunti wuchas is amic structure cha atmas sirif single bonds mojood, atmas double bonds mojood kihin. The ligand is like this: CS2 bonded to NS2, CS2, this is bonded to NS2 having pair of electrons on nitrogen atom, so no double bond is present. Agar ye bond banai central metal atom se lazmi, you go a coordinate bond, you go back coordinate bond. Shabash, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 members, 5 member asana cyclic ring asmas. Yeah, if I take the example where ethane 1,2 diamine is acting as a ligand, yes, wunti mein example this, the example is that of PTEN whole 2 having 2 units. Say for example we have, this is nickel NiEN whole 2 having 2 units of positive charge. Then let us see, we have nickel is bonded to 2 ethane 1,2 diamine molecules. 2 ethane 1,2 diamine molecules. So this is it, ethane 1,2 diamine molecule, and 2 coordinate bonds are formed by one ethane 1,2 diamine molecule. So this is it, NS2, and this is NS2 forming coordinate bond with this, and then we have carbon CS2 bonded to CS2. Five-membered cyclic rings are formed. Yat ligands, yat complexes maz yus ligand as use kormut che, that is ethane 1,2 diamine. Ethane 1,2 diamine maz yus structure cho, that structure as mentioned kuneshe presence of double bonds. Characteristic number 3rd che me vanan, agar ligand as maz asan double bonds mojood ke, absence of double bonds ashe, teli yim rings banan, tim rings asan five-membered. See, we are having five-membered cyclic rings. And back example agar is nimo yat maz ligand nimhon acyl acetonate ion, ya baaki example imta otri pet nimse cho, the example of that is PTCl and then diethylene triamine. Agar imich example to new as chemhin structure ki otra hamit five-membered rings che banan z. And then yeah, third, this analog of this complex as well, three these rings are formed and every ring possesses five members. So this is about the number of members in case of complexes containing ligands which do not possess double bonds. अच्छा वन इस ब्याक complexes consider करो तथ मज़ ligand use करो मिलक statements मज़ ते एस्टाइल एस्टोनेट आयन और ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री मज़ तो याद आशु तथ मज़ पोर्मुत आज ज फॉर्म कीटो दिस इज एक्चुअली डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम एस्टाइल एस्टोन कीटो फॉर्मस मज़ ते एग्जिस्ट गसन इनोल फॉर्मस मज़ ते एग्जिस्ट गसन कीटो इनोल टॉटोमेरिज्म छि हावान. So acyl estonate ion is this CH3 and then C double bond O, and then we have carbon bonded to hydrogen, and then we have C bonded to oxygen, and then it is bonded to CH3, and then we have carbon is doubly bonded. This is acyl estonate ion. Acyl estonate ion मज़ बेटा जो ऑक्सीजन डोनर्स ये बनाए कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड ये बनाए कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड ये तो फिक्र तरह अगर ये मेटल आयन आसे कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड्स बनाए एस्टाइल एस्टोनेट आयन काउंट द नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 there are 6 members in a complex where acyl estonate ion is acting as a ligand. So one of the common examples of such a complex is that of manganese, where we have ACAC represents me acyl estonate ion. ACAC is abbreviation form of acyl estonate ion. अगर ये complexes नजर त्राओ अथ मज़ ligand acyl estonate ion. Acyl estonate ion ची bidentate ligand वुन्ति वुचेस ज coordinate bonds ची अख acyl estonate ion बनावन. There are 3 acyl estonate ions. So the number of coordinate bonds formed will be equal to 6. Then every acyl estonate ion used that possesses double bonds, carbon carbon double bonds, carbon oxygen double bond as well, and we have seen in the previous example that acyl estonate ion used that results in the formation of 6-membered cyclic ring. चलिए अगर आप complex structure how यथ मज़ acyl estonate ion is used कोरमुत as ligand. So central metal ion used that is manganese. And manganese forms 6 coordinate bonds with 3 acyl estonate ion acyl estonate ions. So there it is. This is oxygen is donor atom. 2 coordinate bonds will be formed from 2 oxygen atoms, and then this is bonded to carbon. This is also bonded to carbon, and this is bonded to carbon, and then this is doubly bonded oxygen to carbon, and then we have this is hydrogen, this is bonded to CH3, this is bonded to CH3, and then there it is, this is carbon carbon double bond. So it's a acyl estonate ion. Yostamic oxygen O negative ion that forms coordinate bond with manganese, and then the other oxygen atom having pair of electrons, lone pairs of electrons that forms coordinate bond with manganese, and then this results in the formation of 6-membered cyclic ring. Likewise अगर दईम acyl estonate ion is use कर होना है, so this is oxygen forming coordinate bond, and then this is bonded to carbon, this is also bonded to carbon, and then we have there it is. So this is carbon doubly bond oxygen, and then there it is hydrogen, and then CH3, this is it, 6-membered cyclic ring is formed, and then there it is CH3. So third ligand here, it is carbon bonded to carbon, there we have carbon carbon, and then this is carbon double bond oxygen, this forms coordinate bond, this forms coordinate bond, and then the terminal carbons, or there it is CH3, these are not actually terminal carbons, and then this is bonded to hydrogen, and that is carbon bonded to oxygen, carbon carbon double bond. So this is the formula, or this is the structure of a chelating ligand, where we have the ligand yiman mas sirf single bonds mawjood asan. The chelating complex will possess 5 membered cyclic rings, while as the complexes containing chelating ligands possessing double bonds, they will result in the formation of 6 membered cyclic rings. Then shabash, last characteristic usan ch fourth characteristic, tsurim characteristic agar ba kaat kar. Characteristic number 4 is complexes possessing ligands. These are actually chelating complexes possessing ligands with bulky groups, or heavier groups are less stable, due to steric effect or steric hindrance. यहाँ छ ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री मज असल पट समझमज यम साथ कुनि मॉलिक्यूलस मज हेवियर ग्रुप्स मौजूद छ आसान, बल्कि ग्रुप्स मौजूद छ आसान, तिमो बल्कि ग्रुप्सो सच मॉलिक्यूलस मज स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस सहित यवान इंस्टेबिलिटी या अनस्टेबिलिटी. सो दिस इज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक नंबर 4. ब्रोह कुन एग्जाम्पल तन कर बह थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा पहम तो एक्सप्लेन. फिलहाल थो याद यमन कम्प्लेक्सन मज लीगेंड, चिलेटिंग कम्प्लेक्सन मज लीगेंड्स आसन तिम पोजेसिंग हेवियर ग्रुप्स और बल्कि ग्रुप्स, those complexes are unstable. Yeah, the ligands possessing bulky groups or heavier groups, they lead to the instability of the complex. Anyways, let us summarize 4 important characteristics. तुम 4 characteristics हन summary क्या आदराई है. Number गोडनिक characteristic was यमन मज that chelating complexes are more stable than their non-chelating analogues. Non-chelating analogues या common complex मनोस analogues को रेस understand कि समझो से असल पट. दयम चीज वनस greater is the denticity of ligand. Greater is the denticity of ligand, more is the stability of complex. More is the stability of complex. Third characteristic you said one, that was ligands which do not possess double bonds form cyclic 5-membered मगर कम ligands, polydentate ligands 5-membered cyclic rings. इनसे बनावन 5-membered cyclic rings. ठीक असली को रस ऐड यमन ligand मस double bonds मौजूद आसे दे form 6-membered cyclic rings. तो सूर्यम characteristic यूजन छ, that is steric hindrance or it leads to instability. Steric hindrance of a ligand leads to the instability of the complex. So this is about the 4 important characteristics of chelating complexes. We will finish it here. A question था बताई, a question is दियो तो मैं जवाब यमन चोरन characteristics can बुनियादन पे on the stability of the complex. So we have question like this. Say for example I have complex CO and we have seen that DIPY is the abbreviation of 2,2 dipyridyl or dipyridyl yatha sudi vananchi 3 positive. Back complex dimavas, that is CO, we have C6H5 and then N. So this is it. Okay, sorry, this is COPY, PY is pyridine and then whole 6. The one complex and one, and here ligand is yatmazus ligand, that is pyridine or pyridine yatevanchu. This is it, nitrogen, and then we have, there are 5 carbon atoms. So this is it, nitrogen aspect pair of electrons. This is ligand which is unidentate. यहाँ था वो इस unidentate ligand. Number 2, charge is equal to 0. After this charge that is equal to 0, it is electrically neutral. Sorry, 3 units of positive charge आसन के लिए मौजूद on cobalt. Therefore, cobalt is in +3 oxidation state. Here, you see atmaz ligand is use kormut is ligand atmaz मौजूद. So that ligand is dipyridyl. यह abbreviation DIPY. अमुक structure चौत्र में हम तम सातन bidentate ligand his काथा स्कर. Then we had it, it's a bidentate ligand, so it is nitrogen, and then we have, this is it. Okay, so are these complexes analogous of one another? Imcha is analogous. Point number 1. Point number 2 is that you will see the stability. Chile complex bani. There are pairs of electrons, pair of electron on every nitrogen atom. It will lead to 5-membered or 6-membered cyclic rings. So it will lead to the formation of ring-like structures. अगर ये चीज़ complexes में मौजूद आसी, तो अम्सित उस complex बने सो आसी chelating complex, शाबाश. Yus yeten complex bani so asi non-chelating complex. That will be non-chelating complex. So I show one question, dayomas kusa stability. Answer one, if this is complex 1 and this is complex to A and B, out of these two, which will be more stable? The adyute mein jawab. Answer is that chelating ligand, and then these are analogues of one another. Obviously complex 1 will be more stable than the complex 2. Anyways, so this is all about the characteristics of chelating complexes. Tomorrow we'll see the importance of chelating complexes. Till then, take care and thank you.